2025 M440i. It's a BMW 6-cylinder turbo with the stock system. Big ass muffler in the back. We took out the tips to add some quads, and then stock setup comes with a dual setup in the middle to a single Y to the downpipe. All right, so in the future, if you want to upgrade your midsection, you can do a custom catback or run from the downpipe, high flow catted downpipe preferably, with a full catback like an AWE or a GT Haas or G exhaust even, if you want to upgrade it for some valve control setup. So right now Berto's taking off the tips. We're going to upgrade these for a set of M Performance tips. It's going to look pretty sweet. It's going to pop really nice on the white and black. Got some carbon accents with the black chrome. And we're just deleting the muffler out the back to upgrade the flow so the car will actually sound good. Right now it sounds like shit. You guys heard it. Not doing anything for the customer. Originally came in looking for an X or an H, but this Beamer has a single mid pipe to a dual split out off a Y. So we do not recommend running an X pipe or an H pipe just because it's not a true dual system. If you have a true dual Beamer like an X5 or an M3 or something like that, then you can run an X pipe in the midsection here, or an H pipe. So you guys seen our videos, we run a lot of them on the X5s, BMW M3s, M4s. We usually just delete the midsection, pop an X or an H on there to equalize the flow, but this is a single downpipe. So 2-to-1, technically you can pop an H or an X in there, but we do not recommend it. It's not gonna do anything for you. So later on, we'll upgrade the pipes, maybe run an AWE catback or a G exhaust catback. But as of right now, muffler delete, some pipes, and some carbon fiber tips. It's gonna look sweet, gonna sound even better. Got the BMW all done, the M440i with the muffler delete and the tips. Looks sick, sounds even better. The perfect upgrade for your M440, M340, the Supra, all the same engine in these cars. The B58 does sound amazing without a muffler. So we highly recommend a muffler delete with some tips. You guys see it, carbon fiber on the back end, black chrome, inserts with the carbon fiber trim. I think it looks great. Got the new BMW laser lights on the back. This is the 2025. If you're looking for an upgrade on your car, you hit us up. G exhaust Davie, G exhaust Oakland Park. We got shops everywhere, guys. So hit us up if you're interested. Muffler delete. If you're looking for a catback, Dynan, AWE, G exhaust catback available for these cars. Hit us up. Let us know what you're driving, and we'll hook you up with a catback. We out.